made soup at home today, so let's make some dumpling soup. Quick and easy, another meal sorted.
Got a recipe for tofu skin dumplings? Tweaked it into a tender tofu version. Simplified the prep steps to better for a busy schedule. Hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Ingredient: Japanese gyoza skin, shiitake mushrooms, carrot, silken tofu. I personally recommend using Japanese-style dumpling wrappers. They have a better texture and are chewier and more delicious. Peel the carrot, trim the ends, and grate into shreds. This new vegetable grater I'm using works really well. If you're looking for one, scan the QR code to purchase on Shopee. Look, the grated carrot shreds turn out super fine and smooth. It comes with 2 thickness settings. Use the coarse side if you prefer a bit more texture. Squeeze out excess water from the carrot and set aside. This round tray actually comes with a vegetable basket and a grater as a full set, really super convenient. Draining the grated carrot really improves the texture of the dumpling filling. Some recipes call for sauteing the carrot first, but I prefer not to. I love the natural sweetness of raw carrot. Add soft tofu to the carrot shreds and mash together with a fork until well mixed. Oh, by the way, I happen to have some cilantro roots finely chopped and added in. They make it even more fragrant. Of course, friends who don't like cilantro can just skip them. Seasoning is super simple. Just add salt and mushroom powder. Add the mushroom powder to taste, or skip it if you don't like it. Rinse the mushrooms, squeeze out the excess water, and chop finely. Set aside. Shiitake mushrooms taste much better when sautéed until fragrant. Season with oyster sauce and salt, adjusting to your own taste preference. Add the sautéed mushrooms into the tofu filling, mix well, and let it cool before wrapping the dumplings. Take a dumpling wrapper, place a suitable amount of filling in the center, fold it in half, and pinch it tightly. Then fold both ends inward and seal them together. Take a dumpling wrapper, add a suitable amount of filling, and fold it over to seal. If you want it to look even better, pinch along the edges inward like I do. A perfect dumpling is formed. There are different ways to wrap dumplings. Just go with whatever shape you prefer. For freshly wrapped dumplings, lay them flat on a flour tray to freeze initially. Once firm, transfer them to a sealed bag and store in the freezer. Bring the prepared broth to a boil, add the dumplings, and cook until they float to the surface. The broth I'm using is the Deccan and pickled mustard soup I shared yesterday. It's wonderfully savory and perfect for serving with dumplings. Feel free to check out that soup recipe too. Sprinkle some cilantro over the dumpling soup, and it's ready to enjoy. A warm, steaming bowl of dumpling soup truly brings so much comfort and happiness. soft tofu texture is tender and smooth, adding moisture to the filling while balancing the flavors of other ingredients. Carrot offers a light sweetness and a slight crunch, retaining a refreshing raw texture even without being cooked. Coriander brings a distinct aromatic freshness, adding a bright layer to the filling. Though the amount can be adjusted to personal taste, when sautéed, mushrooms releases a rich aroma and adds a tender, chewy texture, enhancing the umami and depth of the filling. Japanese-style dumpling wrappers are generally thinner and more elastic, yielding a chewier, springier texture when cooked. Regular dumpling wrappers tend to be thicker and softer, providing a hearty bite and better containment for moist fillings. If you prefer dumplings with a translucent appearance and smooth, resilient texture, Japanese-style wrappers are the superior choice. These tofu vegetable dumplings are relatively low in calories, making them suitable for moderate consumption during weight loss. With natural, light ingredients and flexible seasoning, they are also suitable for children and the whole family to enjoy. For a more balanced meal, it is recommended to serve them with clear broth and plenty of vegetables to enhance nutrition and satiety. Tofu is rich in high-quality plant-based protein, which supports muscle health and body repair. It contains active components like soy isoflavones, which help regulate blood lipids and support cardiovascular health. With its soft texture and easy digestibility, tofu is a nutritious choice for children, seniors, and vegetarians. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.